In this video I will show you how to download and install FDS on your Windows computer. We will get it directly from the official website, which is pages.nist.gov/fds-smv. On this page, just click on Download and then click on Windows and the download will start. Once the download is finished, just click on the downloaded file. If Windows shows you this alert message, just click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. The installer will show you this prompt, and here you can choose a standard installation, a custom installation, or stop the installation. To proceed with a standard installation, just write yes on your keyboard and then press enter. When you see the message press any key then reboot to complete the installation, you will know that the installation is completed. The reboot is usually not necessary, so just press any key and the installer will close. To confirm that everything is installed correctly, you can search for cmd FDS on your PC, and this is the command prompt that we will use to run all of our FDS simulations. We will use this very frequently, so I suggest you to right click on it and pin it to the taskbar, so it will be always available down here. The installation files are located under Local Disk, Program Files, File Models. Here you should see the FDS folder and the Smokeview folder. In the FDS folder you can find the documentation. Two documents that you will use frequently are the FDS user guide and the Smokeview user guide. This confirms that you have correctly installed FDS and Smokeview on your Windows computer.